wheels.
Ow! Whee! Stop now! Repeat!
Today, one of the richest cars in the world came to visit our city, and he is proud of his super lights. They are decorated with precious stones and emit a very bright light. How much are those headlights? They are worth a fortune. And they are worth it. Ha 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 ha. They are worth it.
Boss, this is happening in the city. I saw him arrive. He is guarded by the police. They say that he is the richest.
I need those super lights.
Did I hear you right, boss?
You heard me just fine. I need those super lights. The headlights of that rich car.
He has round-the-clock security and the police. How? How can we steal those headlights, boss? You need those super lights. No problem, boss. No problem. I'll get it.
Bob, are you there? Report the situation.
I'm here. All clear, guard. I've noticed nothing suspicious.
Mike, go.
Barry, check on that now.
Great. First one on. Oops, can't you get started?
Yeah, could you help? I'm hurrying. I need to deliver ice cream to the other end of the city.
Bob,
What happened?
can you come here for a moment, please? Bingo! Now it's my turn.
I've got to hurry, or the operation will fail.